Earlier this week, Zach rolled our brand new Can-Am Maverick R end over end. The bad news is that means we need new parts for a brand new rig with very little aftermarket support. The good news is that Zach is mostly fine and the Can-Am Maverick's ROPS did its job, sacrificing itself to save his skin. The Mav R took the spill like a champ with broken plastic, a dented roll cage, and a leaky radiator to show for it. And just like your helmet, the Mav R's ROPS is designed to absorb kinetic energy so your skeleton doesn't. Now, the stock Can-Am ROPS is great, but after our shenanigans, it's just a little worse for wear. It looks okay at first glance, but upon closer inspection, we decided that we probably shouldn't trust it to save our necks if we have another oopsie, which is why we're here at ThumperFab in Marshall, Texas. We've had excellent luck with ThumperFab's made in America Can-Am parts and have conclusively proven that they're Bowman proof. Oh, Jesus. They were on our way home, so we stopped to see if they had a roll cage for the Mav R. Now, they haven't had a chance to develop one yet, but they're itching to get started. So we figured it was the perfect opportunity for us to drop our Mav R off with ThumperFab. So we're leaving our brand new, slightly bruised Can-Am Maverick R 10 hours from our Knoxville headquarters so that the wizards at ThumperFab can whip up a new cage for us. It's gonna be a bummer to be without our favorite side-by-side, but the results are gonna be more than worth it. And since new radiators are back ordered till the end of the month, it's the perfect time for our new rig to be out of commission. The coolest part is the guys at ThumperFab are going to film the process from start to finish. Everything from design and engineering to building and installing the final product. So you can watch along as we get a new cage.
So if you haven't heard of ThumperFab, they might sound a little familiar because we were here last year with our Defender project. If you remember, we put on ThumperFab bumpers, Nerf bars, a big rack in the back that I am fairly convinced may have saved my skin after a big rollover in Utah. We have put their gear through the absolute ringer and it has proven tough as nails. Maybe tougher than the rigs that we bolted it to. That's why we brought the Mav R here for an all-new cage. I can't wait to see what they cook up.
We like working with ThumperFab because these guys design, engineer, and manufacture all their parts right here in Marshall, Texas. ThumperFab employs 50 people, including 7 engineers who computer model every piece they make. The 40,000 square foot facility isn't just a couple of CAD machines and a powder coater either. ThumperFab uses state-of-the-art equipment from 3D scanners to automated metal brakes and laser cutters. All of that's a nice change of pace in a market that's full of cheap gear from overseas, and it feels good knowing the hardware on our rigs help put food on someone's table here in the States.
All right, dude, headed back to Knoxville?
Yeah, let's get back to Knoxville. I'm gonna miss that thing.
Yeah, it takes 30 days to get a radiator, so 30 days down here to get a new cage seems like a good trade-off.
I think so. I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, it's in capable hands.
All right, let's hit the road.
Yeah, let's do it.
I gotta stop breaking stuff.
Yeah, dude, you really do.